So these specifically will end up like one of the ones we've looked at earlier, where we have elk antler as our scale material on the handle, as well as some Damascus up here that's been hardened and yet not processed yet. So everything looks really rough. Everything is pretty stinking rough at this point. There's a lot of scratch lines, some theoretical oopsies if I don't clean that up. But one of the things you'll notice about the antler is it is very different in its thickness. You have some very thick sections that can exist, and you can have some very thin sections that exist. And these aren't even the most dramatic of the ones that we have seen. There is the possibility of having a more dramatic handle with a lot more texture and a lot more depth and a lot more possibility within the antler itself. So all we've done at this point is get the frame built together. This spacer back here, while it looks like it blends in with the titanium frame, is actually the same material as the bolsters. So there will be Damascus down here as well. So what I've done is I've softened up all of the edges of the scales on both sides. I've kind of worked a little bit into this to kind of figure out what I want to do with the thickness of the material, because I'm not entirely sure what I'm doing there yet. It's a pretty thick chunk of antler, and for some folks that's kind of nice, having a little more extra handle. That is not a bad thing. So it runs off of feel to just figure out, okay, does it feel like it's too much meat? Does it feel like it's not enough? I'm trying to leave as much of this natural texture on here as possible. So what I'll end up doing next, we're gonna clean up the transition between the bolster and the antler. It's fairly clean now. There's not much of a grab there, but we're gonna smooth that out so it transitions really quite nicely. And that will allow me to take this all the way to a mirror polish and then do the etching process for the Damascus so that it has the ability to show that beautiful pattern that's contained within it.